Archie from Wisconsin.
Yeah. Everybody,
Okay.
wave. This is for posterity going on Facebook. There it is. The TOOCANOO of blustery day. We ought to get good wind today.
Yeah, well, I'm okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay, Dave, I'm just gonna hit the switch. It should engage. Yeah, it doesn't seem to want to come up. What we're gonna do is
hit the switch while I crank it. It might catch it.
Yeah, no, we need to get
Get
the
ready for the 3-hour tour. It's going on right.
And what's the name of the island?
Gilligan's Island.
Gilligan's Island. What's on that island, sir?
2 models. Ginger
yeah.
and Mary Ann.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Our Canadian friend Susie, who swims out to other ships to say hello. And here is Cheryl with her safety belt on. And Bob is diver trooper. Anybody who flies.
Okay, it started raining now, and you can see the rain cloud ahead of us. So we're pretty much headed right there. And okay, so
I think what we'll do, we'll just turn it over to the left. We can aim out. See that barge? He's under tow. There's a tugboat. There's a line between the tugboat and the barge. So we're going to aim to the stern of the barge.
Okay.
So just let the boat come around.
Yep.
And we'll get these engines turned off. Once we can get some power into the sail, we're going to turn a little bit more. We'll probably have to aim to the bow of that ship for the right angle. I'm sure he owns a bunch of teams.
yeah, okay.
You're allowed to stay 3 months.
What do you pay your income tax?
I pay in Canada. I file online. So many broken things in Canada, you know? So many broken things.
You got it, you know.
Here is La Samana from the sailboat.
That's the way it sails. This is a lot easier.
Not that way. Agnes is on that flight. Yep. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Right. My last turn.
That's La Samana.
Oh my God.
These are the villas on the right. Individual villas, and then La Samana. Have you guys been there for a drink at night?
No.
Oh, really?
We're not allowed to go out at night. 6:30, we're done. Like we're usually in bed by 7. Don, what are you doing with that turned on again? Is that a throwaway iPhone? It's called a burner phone. My buddy
It's a
did
burner
that.
phone. It's a burner phone, yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna drop the hook here.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember on in the background under the Canadian flag.
Greg. Yeah. You gotta send it to my kids. Geez, Bobby still have your glasses on. I know. What do you call that shit again, Mike?
Pardon?
What do you call that stuff again?
Sargasso. From the Sargasso Sea.
Almost looks like an oil slick.